Welcome back. Let's jump into the video immediately. So first of all, you have to open your browser and open this link from the description and download this file, and you will get this zip file and you have to extract it, and then you will extract. It requires a password which is fixyfix001, as you can see on the screen. It is extracted. This file, you will get this file, and open this file and open jumpstart folder first and install this software. If you will get this problem, so you have to follow me, or you can skip this video to this time. If you are facing this problem that your administrative permission is not allowing you, so you have to open your start menu and search here regedit, regedit, and run is at administrator. And here you have to open your local machine, expand your local machine, and then expand your software. And then here you have to go to and expand Microsoft folder, and here you have to expand Windows folder. In Microsoft you have to expand Windows, and here you have to expand current version, and here you have to expand policies folder. Okay, expand the policies folder, and here you have to click on system, and then here you have to double click on enable LUA and rename this value to 0. Okay, and then click on OK button, and then you will get this message. So you must have to restart your computer to disable that problem. Okay, so let's restart our computer. After restart, you again go to jumpstart folder and open this setup file, and now it is opening. So when jumpstart is open, you have to select English or your language, desired language. Click on next and just simply install it as other softwares are installed. Simple. Click on next, and then you must have to click on yes to allow the permission, and then the installation will finish. So you have to click on finish now, and you must have to right click here on system tray. The jump start icon will start appearing here, and you have to close it and right click on close it. And you have to also disable jump start from your starter programs, because we do not need to start up this software. Okay, now disable it from your system startup. Okay, and now as you can see, I am connected to my network, but right now I am forgetting it to connect this network via pin. As you can see, it is not connected and it is asking password from me. Okay, so I don't know the password, I know pin. So I am starting now jump start software. So select the first option, join a wireless network, and then click on next, and then select third option, enter pin from my access point, and enter your pin which you have read from your router. And I have this pin from my router. Okay, 028772228. okay, then uncheck this. So I will select manually my Wi-Fi network. Okay, and then click on next button, and now here I have to select my Wi-Fi network, which is this, and then click on next button. And as you can see, it is connected via pin, and I do not need to give it my wireless password. So if this video is helpful, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.